Have you ever pondered the concept of now? The fleeting moment that seems to stand still yet is always slipping away, always moving forward, never backward. What makes now so unique, and why does it only move in one direction? The answer to that lies in a concept known as the arrow of time, and it has a deep connection with something called entropy. The arrow of time is a term coined by British astronomer Arthur Eddington in 1927. It's our perception of time's flow, the seemingly relentless march from the past into the future, with the present moment, the now, being our current position on this timeline. But why does time only go in one direction? Why can't it go backwards? The answer to that is entropy. Entropy, often described as a measure of disorder, is a fundamental concept in the field of thermodynamics. The second law of thermodynamics states that in an isolated system, entropy always increases over time. Imagine a sandcastle on a beach. Over time, it will erode, the intricate towers and walls crumbling away into a disordered pile of sand. This is entropy in action, a system naturally progressing from a state of order to a state of maximum disorder. This increase in entropy is what gives us the perception of time's arrow, always pointing from the past, through the now and into the future. It's the reason why we can remember yesterday but not tomorrow, why we grow older, not younger. Our universe is constantly marching toward a state of maximum entropy, a point often referred to as the heat death of the universe. But what about the concept of now? Well, it's all relative. Time is a property of the universe, unique to each observer. The now is a function of perspective. Your now is different from someone on the other side of the world, or someone in a different galaxy. It's a fleeting, ever-changing point on the arrow of time, shaped by the relentless increase of entropy. Our perception of now is also shaped by our consciousness. Our brain processes information and gives us a sense of time's flow. This perception isn't a direct representation of physical reality, but a construction of our mind. So in a way, the now is a deeply personal experience, unique to each of us. In conclusion, the concept of now and the arrow of time are intrinsically linked by the principle of entropy. The universe's natural tendency to move towards a state of maximum disorder is what gives us our perception of time's unidirectional flow. It's why now always seems to be slipping into the past, and why the future always lies ahead. It's a fundamental aspect of our universe, a principle that shapes not only the physical world but also our perception of it. A deep truth indeed.